If you Google the words strawberry cake, the results you get are kind of interesting. It's lots of big, bright pink, fancy layer cakes with fluffy mounds of buttercream and pretty decorations, but this is not that cake. This is like a poor man's version of that cake, only it's not poor at all. It's actually quite rich and, in my opinion, a lot better. It comes together really easily with your usual cake basics, butter, sugar, eggs, etc. But then it all gets baked in one tin with big plump strawberries nestled throughout the batter so they get all sweet and concentrated as they bake, and their juice comes out to tinge the batter red in spots and adds these jammy little pockets all throughout the cake. And that means there's no filling necessary and no frosting necessary either. I line the cake pan with a little bit of granulated sugar and then sprinkle it right on top before baking, which gives it this crunchy crust that gives way to this almost creamy layer of strawberries and cake underneath. It's easy baking that's perfect for summer or spring when the berries are at their best. So what are you waiting for? Don't you want a slice?